Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your source. Immediately duplicate the audio track so you can /B changes. Once done, zoom the waveform and scrub to visually identify plosive spikes, then drop markers at each hit so you don't hunt later. Next, add the parametric equalizer to the duplicate and enable a gentle high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz because plosives are mostly low-frequency energy, and this reduces the thump without hurting voice clarity. Now you'll tame each burst. Switch to clip gain or add volume keyframes and pull down the level only on the marked plosive peaks, so the rest of the phrase stays natural. Then add a short, subtle de-esser or a multi-band compressor targeting the low band to smooth remaining energy. This works because it reacts to transient lows without squashing consonants. If a pop is extreme, round-trip that clip to Adobe Audition and use spectral repair. It lets you surgically remove bursts while preserving tone. Finish by rendering short sections and comparing to the untouched track. You want to confirm you removed thumps without dulling the voice. Make a final pass with a gentle brickwall limiter to catch any remaining spikes, but set a conservative threshold so you avoid pumping. If you hear unnatural artifacts or sibilants, back off EQ or compression, or send the clip to Audition for more careful spectral editing. This troubleshooting step fixes processing artifacts while preserving natural character.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.